Hello, everyone, and welcome to Law and Visas Immigration. I'm Betty, and today we'll walk you through exactly how to migrate to Switzerland in 2025. This is your full visa guide. No fluff, just clear steps and the real information you need. If you've ever thought about living or working in Switzerland, whether it's for school, business, family, or permanent residence, this is for you. Switzerland offers different visa types depending on why you're traveling. Let's break them down. 1. Short stay Schengen visa, type C. This is for people who want to visit Switzerland for up to 90 days, perfect for tourism, short business trips, or visiting family and friends. You need a valid passport, travel insurance, proof of accommodation, return flight reservation, bank statement showing you can support yourself financially. Processing time is usually 15 working days, but apply early, 3 weeks before your trip is ideal. 2. Long stay national visa type D. This is for stays longer than 90 days, like for study, work, research, training, or joining a family member. Common subcategories are student visa, work visa for a job offer, family reunification visa, researcher or internship visa. Each of these has its own required documents, but generally you need valid passport, visa application form, passport photos, letter of admission or job offer, proof of funds, health insurance, a clean police record, accommodation proof in Switzerland, timelines. Type D visas usually take 6 to 12 weeks depending on the visa category and how complete your documents are. Some cantons may take longer, especially if they need extra verification. Extra tips for success. Always translate your documents to English, French, German, or Italian, depending on your canton. Make sure your bank statements show steady income or financial support. Avoid fake documents. Switzerland has a very strict system, and reapplying after a rejection is hard. If you're applying for work, your employer in Switzerland must prove they can't find a local or EU worker for that job. Permanent residency and citizenship. After 10 years of legal stay, or 5 if you're married to a Swiss citizen, you can apply for permanent residence. And after that, you may be eligible for citizenship depending on your integration, language skills, and ties to Switzerland. If you're planning to move in 2025, start your application now. Swiss embassies are already open for visa bookings, and the sooner you start, the better your chances of approval. At Law and Visas Immigration, we've helped hundreds of clients submit strong visa applications, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you're serious about migrating to Switzerland, book a consultation today and let's get your application started. Don't wait until the deadlines are close. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want us to cover another country. We are here to help.